Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Vivo X80 Pro. Okay, first of all we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So if you remove this cover here, then you will have two boxes here, and in the smaller box you will find the case and the SIM ejection tool. So just remove it like this, open it, and in the case you will find this little card. Just get it out like this and open it like that. Remove the sticker here, and then you have released the SIM ejection tool. A bit complicated, I don't know why, but everything is there. By the way, otherwise you could use also the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter it like this, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray you're able to insert two SIM cards if you want. One on the top and a second one as an option below. Okay, by the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2 is always written here in the middle. Okay, let's take now the first SIM card and place it like this here. Press a bit that it's well inserted. And this is how it should look like then after. So the contacts are on the top, as you can see. And there's also a missing corner at the SIM card, and it belongs here to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And it just fits like that. Okay. And if you want, you can add on the other side of the SIM tray a second SIM card, as I have said. So this is optionally, so just enter the SIM card like the first one. So press a bit, as well inserted and so on. And it should look exactly the same then. Okay, so missing corner on missing corner here. The same thing as you have seen at the first SIM card. And the contacts are on the top, as you can see. Okay, if you're ready with, anyhow if it's with one or two SIM cards, just enter the SIM tray back to the SIM slot here. Press a bit, close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.